Hi there guys, hopefully you're all doing well. Just a quick video this morning I've got a film for you. We are still talking about the car show on the, I can't remember what date it is now, but it's in beginning of August, 9th of August, 7th of August, can't remember. But all the details will be in the description below. I need to know numbers for how many are coming, so I'm going to put a poll somewhere on my channel so you can click yes I'm coming or no you're not, and I'll post it everywhere so everybody can say if they're coming or not, just so we know how much food he needs to cook. Otherwise you're going to be either going starving or he's going to be spending a lot of money on food that's not going to get eaten. So we just need to know how many are coming, and let me know, and that would be great if you could do that. And updating the workshop, really, there's not really much going on. I'm just keeping my head down working. I've not filmed any videos at the minute because I've not had anything worthwhile filming, so I'm just cracking on earning a living. The forklift is absolutely dead. I'm going to scrap it and I'm going to buy a forklift. I just got to save some pennies up for that. We've got this Brera in 3.2, which is now on the ramp to be stripped down for a full sort of underside restoration. Got this lovely Brera Pro Drive in at the minute, which is having some new upper wishbones and a service, but that's all lovely in there. Porsche is still hidden away, going to be started soon because the engine is due to be coming back in the next 2 weeks for the 155. This twin spark, it's got a sump plug which has decided to not want to be there anymore. So I've got to order a special size thread to repair it. It has already been repaired before, so the thread is too large, so I need to order an extra large sump plug for that to be repaired. Punto, not done much to that apart from paint the front bumper, if you've just seen, but the colour it is, let's show you this here. That's the colour difference, and that's the colour from the colour code I ordered, and that's the colour that my old body shop painted it. Now I'm in a massive dilemma now. Should I get the paint to match that, repaint the front bumper and paint all the rest of the bits I need to do on here, like the door, the rear bumper, the wing and a few other bits and bobs, or should I just strip it back and repaint it this much nicer colour? I am tempted to do this colour because it just looks so much nicer, and I must say, showing you the quality of that, that's all dry. This is straight out of the tin. It's got a bit of dust in it which needs sanding out a bit here, but look at the lack of orange peel on that. I am very, very impressed with my painting abilities nowadays. I'm going to be, I think I've decided to showcase what I can do to start kind of advertising some resprays so I can learn the craft a little bit more. So I want to offer some cheap resprays, or cheapish resprays, so I can get my skills a little bit better. So I think what I need to showcase that is to paint the 147 ready for a road trip for next year. Now I've got an idea on style to paint it in. I had the idea on my Italian trip last year. So yeah, the plan is to repaint that so we can generate a little bit more interest in getting some resprays done. And yeah, I've lost my train of thought now. Yeah, so I can get better at painting. I can earn more of a living then. I'm in the process of, let's see if I can get down here. Let's just go this way instead. In the process of kind of remaking some sort of booth again, but I need, if anybody out there knows more about extraction than I do. I mean, my dad yesterday, we started putting up some more lights, better lights. So we're going to put tons of lights in here to try and get it a lot better and make it into a sort of booth again, but this time with some better extraction so I get less dust in it. So I was thinking about getting either a big extractor down the bottom or whatever. If anybody out there knows more about extraction than I do, let me know in the comments below on what I can do and how I can do it and where to buy the bits from, because I do need extraction, because otherwise it's just going to get too blurry in here, full of fumes and full of dust. So yeah, that's about it for now. I will say a goodbye for now. Don't forget to comment below and let me know what is going on when you're coming to this meet or not. And yeah, I'll see you at the meet in a few weeks.